Crime branch burst online IPL racket in Arpora. 1 crore seized. 3 caught red-handed. Police seizes online software and other gadgets. Crime branch team arrives Goa with 3 accused from Bihar. They had supplied guns to the accused in the Walke murder case. Hi, this is Clinton D'Souza and now the news in detail. Another update on Walke murder case. On Monday, the crime branch team arrived Goa with 3 accused from Bihar. These 3 accused from Bihar had illegally supplied guns to the accused arrested in the Swapnil murder case.
The crime branch team arrived by train from Bihar at Margao station on Monday afternoon. The crime branch has arrested 34-year-old Shani Kumar, 19-year-old Rahul Kumar and 26-year-old Kundan Kumar, all native of Bihar. 3 accused were involved in allegedly supplying guns in connection to Walke murder case.
Yeah, involved in that Walke murder case about the weapons. So details I can't give you right now because parties have been investigating cases. And with the initiative of SP, crime, USP, and all our superiors, we have done the task.
And the
We have got them from Begusari, Bihar. They are 3 people.
This operation was for how many days?
Operation was around 3 days.
South Goa-based jeweler Swapnil Walke was stabbed by a group of thieves on 3rd September in the broad daylight near Sapna Plaza, Margao. The video of the shocking incident had gone viral on the internet. In the video, a group of thieves can be seen fighting with a person who is severely bleeding after being stabbed by thieves. Till date, the police have arrested 5 accused related to this case, and on Monday, the people who supplied weapons were also brought to Goa. Sandeep Twekar for Goa 365 in Margao.
Want to see moon spots? Just visit Borem. You will see a replica of the moon spots on the Borem highway. The motorists have been literally praying while driving on these moon spots as they cannot take you direct Chandra. Locals said that this road was repaired before the monsoon, but heavy rains has washed away the tar from the road. Here's more.
Goa 365 visited a replica of the moon at Baitokol in Bori. The potholes are like craters of the moon, and gravel on the road could lead to 2-wheelers skidding. Surprisingly, this is the main highway from Ponda to Margao via Bori. Many heavy vehicles and interstate buses pass on this route. Riding a bike on this road is similar to performing a circus. Locals said, in the night situation turned worse as there are no street lights.
बोरी बायटोकॉल ते फोंडा वस्ती हो एक प्रमुख रस्तो असा जो साउथ गोवाच्या नॉर्थ गोवा कनेक्ट करता म्हणल्यार अतिताय जावची ना, कित्याक मडगांवच्यान येवपी सगळे ट्रॅफिक ह्याच रोडान पास जाता. ह्या रस्त्याची हालत जर पळयली जाल्यार हांगा दिसाक 1-2 जाण पडपाची घटना जायत आसता. सरकारान ह्या रस्त्याचेर लक्ष घालप खूब इम्पॉर्टंट जावन आसा, कित्याक म्हणल्यार हो एक मेन हायवे जावन आसा जो फोंडाक कनेक्ट जाता आनी मडगांवच्यान फोंड्या येवपी किंवा वेर्णा वचपी ह्या लोकां खातीर हो एक प्रमुख रस्तो जावन आसा. आज हाची स्थिती पळयल्यार हो एक एक्सिडेंटल झोन जाल्लो आसा. सो सरकारान हाजेर बेगिनात बेगीन लक्ष घालून हो परत हॉटमिक्सीकरण करप खूब इम्पॉर्टंट आसा, कित्याक फाटले 2 वर्सां कडेन ह्या सरकारान ह्या रस्त्याचें काम केल्लें. ताजे नंतर फक्त ताची डागडुजी केली वता किंवा रस्त्याचेर काम अशें जाल्लें ना. माती घालतात किंवा तुका खडी घालता आनी ते वता आनी ती खडी एक परत पावस आयलो की ती उसपून वता आनी एक्सिडेंटल झोन जाल्लो आसा. खुबशे भुरगे पडपाचो प्रकार जाल्लो आसा आनी रातचे हांगा लायटीय कमी आसता, त्या कारणान एक्सिडेंट जावपाचे प्रकार चड वाडल्या. म्हणून सरकारा कडेन विनंती आसा की तांणी बेगिनात बेगीन लक्ष घालून हे काम पुराय करचें.
हो बायथिकॉल फोंडेच्या फोंडा मडगांव हाजे मदीं किंवा फोंडा बोरी हाजे मदलो हो रोड अत्यंत जाका खरो म्हळ्यार हो खूब रिस्की एक्सिडेंटल झोन आसा हाजें म्हणूं येता आमच्यान. हो रस्तो जो आसा हालींच म्हाका दिसता एक पावसा पयलीं सादारण तो सारको केल्लो, परत एकदां हो इतलो रिस्की जाला की हांगा एक्सिडेंट हे जायत आसतात. रातचे तर हांगा लायटी कमी आसता आनी हो असो रस्तो डेंजर दिसता सगळो. तेन्ना सरकाराक एक आमची विनंती ह्या निमित्यान की जी कन्सर्न ऑथॉरिटी आहा तांणी जाता तितलो बेगीन तांणी हो रस्तो वेवस्थीत करचो आनी ज्याचे मुळे लोकांक हांगच्यान सुखरूपपणे आपली आमची रहदारी चलू शकता.
Krishna Naik for Goa 365 from Ponda.
Locals from Mandel Fatorda have come out and raised their voice over the sewage being left out in the open. Locals fear for the spread of another disease during the ongoing pandemic due to this menace. They have demanded quick solution and action on the engineer who has left the sewage chamber open, leaving people to face inconveniences. Yes, ma'am. The Fatorda Sewage Department had laid a pipeline connecting the sewage chambers and released the raw sewage slug in the open at Mandel Fatorda, causing nuisance and health hazards to the locals. This is what the locals have alleged. Look at these visuals. This visual says it all. On Monday later, when the locals raised their voice, the local youth and activists have sealed the pipeline with a stopper so that the wastewater flow was stopped. Listen in to what they have to say.
Yeah, the sewerage udo. हे नाल्लान हे सोडला सो हे आतां घाणीचें उदक सारकें सेम हे प्रॉब्लम ते सायडीन एक कुसार जाल्ले आमच्या दुसऱ्या माडेलान आनी थिंगा आमी 8 वर्सां बोड घालून 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 तें आतां बंद जाग केलां. आनी पयलीं आमकां 5-6 म्हणल्यार सांजची 5-6 वरां म्हणल्यार खूब इतली किमसां येतालीं भायर कोण बसून आसलो. आतां तें सिवरेजाचें उदक बंद जावन आतां तेशी तें प्रॉब्लम काबार जाला. आतां हिंगा स्टार्ट जाला. आतां हे सगळे लोकांनी हिंगा सिकनेसान मरपाचें हें बंद जावपा जाय. आतां हे ते रोडाचे ते सिवरेजाचे तेंचो सिस्टम सारको ना. गव्हर्मेंटान एक्शन घेवपा जाय. हे PWDचे जे कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरान हे सिवरेजाचे रोडाचेर सिवरेज घायल्ली ओके तो कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट घेयल्लो ते पयशे कोण हावून गेला आनी तें काम हे भाशेन हे गांवच्या लोकांक हे त्रास दिवपाक हे सिवरेज हे भाशेन हिंगा सोडपाक हे कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरान हे कसलें काम केलां तें आमच्या गव्हर्मेंटान तेजेर एक्शन घेवपा जाय. आनी हे आमच्या गांवान हे माडेलान आमच्या फातोर्डा पडटा मडगांवां हेजेर गव्हर्मेंटान जाता तितले बेगीन हेजेर एक्शन घेवपाचें हे कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराचेर.
गव्हर्मेंटान हे ते पायप येता दिवसो मेन रोडाचो हिंगा नाला सोडो तें आख्खें उदक आनी हे तो घाणी उदक आख्खें टॉयलेटीचें. आतां हांव नकळो हें परमिशन कोण दिलचें आनी हें तर इतलें आमकां असो न्यूसन्स जाता आनी तो भुरग्यांक हेडा थिंगा आनी सगळें हें रिवर्स हालून वयता हें उदक आख्खें घाणीचें. सो म्हाका जाय आमगेले बेगीन सिवरेज कितें कंप्लीट नेटवर्क सारको केल्लो आनी हिंगा प्रोजेक्ट पास करपा ना कित्याक हें असलें हें जाता हें गव्हर्मेंटान सोडा तेंगेले वॉटर डिपार्टमेंट तेणी सांगितलां सिवेज डिपार्टमेंटान हें सोडा पायपान. तें म्हाका हिंगा आनी प्रोजेक्ट नाकाय कमर्शियल प्रोजेक्ट नाकाय एक हावस होल्ड बारके बरां जालें ओके पूण हेचो व्हडलो व्हडलो प्रोजेक्ट आनी नाकाय कित्याक हें सुद्दां तुमकां कोटा हें उदकाचें आतां आमी कितू घाण हिंगा रावपा जायना हिंगा आनी अशें करून आनी लोकांक रावपाना हिंगा म्हणला.
Sandeep Tuekar for Goa 365 in Fatorda. We will take a short break. Please stay with us. Welcome back. On Sunday late night, the IPL betting racket was bursted nearly 1 crore rupees. The crime branch raided a villa in Arpora wherein IPL betting was going on. The crime branch arrested 3 persons red-handed. Upon raiding 3 persons, Shakti Punjabi, Vishal Ahuja and Hitesh Keshwani, all residents of Gandhidham in Gujarat, were found accepting bets for IPL on mobile phones. They were entering these bets on a high-tech computer software in their laptops. Upon being caught red-handed, all 3 were placed under arrest. Further investigation revealed that all the 3 trios had accepted bets throughout current IPL season of over rupees 1.17 crores from their customers based in Gujarat and nearby. It's Clinton D'Souza for Goa 365. The Bijol cars have finally got a new traffic signals. The first road, the traffic signals Bicholim is at the crossroad near the Shantadurga High School, was inaugurated on Monday. The entire stretch of the road will be declared as no parking zone within a week's time.
Goa 365 had highlighted the issue of heavy vehicles parked along the Bicholim bypass which pose risk to vehicles. Also, mishaps had taken place on the site. Taking cognizance of the issue, traffic signals were erected at circle near Shantadurga High School. Bicholim MLA Rajesh Patnekar, Chairperson Satish Gaonkar were present.
हे पार्किंग झोन पयलीं आसलो तो पार्किंग झोन काडटा आतां नो पार्किंग झोन करता आनी हे काम जवळ जवळ ह्या विकाल पूर्ण जातले की ज्या हितून ह्या बायपासाक कोणाक गाडी उबी करूंक मेळची ना. मोठ्यो मोठ्यो गाडयो हेवी व्हेकल्स मशिनरी हांगा उबी करतात ज्या हितून ट्रॅफिकेक अडचण येता. ती जर जेन्ना ही ऑर्डर पास जातली तेन्ना म्हाका तो प्रश्न पण सुटलो.
आमकां पयशांची अडचण असले कारणान जायते इश्यू असले पेंडींग उरलेले. पण एक खात्रेन सांगता जशें हांव एक्सपेक्ट करता जानेवारी टू मार्च आफ्टर मार्च नॉर्मल परिस्थिती येता तेन्ना बिचोली तेजी एरिया म्हणून हांव ताका प्रायोरिटी दितलो इतलें हांव सांगपाचें.
Project files in PWD used to stuck for 6 months. However, the files could be cleared within 15 days due to 50th Finance Commission. With the help of new technical sale, 50% of the fund from the Finance Commission would be go directly to ZP and Panchayats. It can be utilized very early, said Mawin.
पयलेच खेपे आमचे गोंयान फायनान्स कमिशनान पंचायतीच्या अंडर 15 फायनान्सा खाला आमकां एवरी इयर 20 crore येताले 25 crore येताले. फर्स्ट टायम आमकां मोर दॅन डबल 75 crore दिला. आतां टेक्निकल सेल म्हूण आमी केला फास्ट जे PWD फायल्यो वचोन स म्हयने आटकून उरताल्यो मिनिमम 6 months एकदां परत्यो येनासल्यो 15 दिसां भितर क्लियर जावन आमच्या सरपंचांक एक जिल्हा मेंबरांक संधी मेळटली आनी 15% ऑफ 75 crore डायरेक्ट जिल्हा वयतले आनी बाकीचे आमचे पयशे न्हू हे 15 फायनान्स कमिशनान आमच्या पंचायती डायरेक्ट पयशे दिला 75 crore जिल्हा आनी पंचायती. सो हे एक बरें आसा. तुमी सडनली पळयतले गांवांनी कामां जावपाक लागतली.
Aichi Goyekar for Goa 365 from Bicholim.
Now, the Aam Aadmi Party has challenged 7 MLAs who are directly affected by the coal to resign if they really concerned about the people. Get out with the people and force the government to withdraw the coal and double tracking project within 15 days or else resign and support the people's agitation, the AAP said. Watch.
Aam Aadmi Party says Goa does not need coal or additional electricity. Why Goans were not taken into confidence before taking a big decision of double tracking for coal transportation, questioned the AAP. All 7 MLAs in whose constituencies coal transportation is taking place should speak on the issue. Just don't say we are with the people, prove it. For that, resignation is necessary, AAP has demanded.
आम आदमी पार्टी म्हणटा की जे डबल ट्रॅकिंग तुम्ही करपाक गेला ताची गरज आसा काय कितें गोंयकाराक? ताची गरज गोंयाक ना. जी हाय टेन्शन लायन तुम्ही हाडपाक पळयतात गोंयांत आज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कितली आसा 1000 जर आसा तातूंतली फक्त 650 युसेज जाता. मुखाल्ले चडांत चड जर आमी अनुमान लायलो जाल्यार एस्टिमेट काडलो जाल्यार 2037 म्हणल्यार आमकां फक्त आनीक 300 म्हणजे 950 म्हणल्यार आमी युसेज करपाक शकता. पण तातूंत आनी एक गोश्ट आसा आमच्या सरकारान रिन्युएबल एनर्जी जनरेट करपा खातीर आनी क्रिएट करपा खातीर जो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जाय तो क्रिएट करपा खातीर एग्रीमेंट सायन केल्लो आसा. आमी सरकाराक विचारपाक सोदतात ताजें कितें जालें जेन्ना हे सगळे ऑप्शन्स आमच्या मुखार आसात रिन्युएबल एनर्जी सारके तेन्ना आमकां कोळसो कित्याक जाय. खंय तरी कितें तरी सेटींग जाला आनी तें सेटींग आमकां गोंयकारांच्या सगळ्यांच्या लक्षांत आयला गोंयकारांच्या. आनी आतां गोंयकार जागो जाला गोंयकार उठून रस्त्यार आयला.
गोंयकार पयले ह्या कोळसो पयलो कोळशाचो जेन्ना हो निर्णय घेतलो तेन्ना गोंयकारां लागीं कित्याक विचारूंक ना? हो जबाब आज बीजेपी सरकारान दिवपाक जाय. हे डबल ट्रॅकिंग करचे पयले गोंयकारां लागीं कित्याक विचारूंक ना? हो जबाब गोंयकार विचारता 7 MLA जाचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन हो कोळसो वयतलो ही डबल ट्रॅकिंग रेल्वे ट्रॅक वयतली. I am supporting the people. वो आंसर उपकारचो ना. If you are supporting the people, you need to come out with a clear stand. Join the movement. Sign this memorandum. आज आमी तुमकां एक मेमोरंडम दिता. त्या मेमोरंडमाचे क्लियर आसा की दॅट इफ यू आर विथ द पीपल ऑफ गोवा तुम्ही गोंयकाराचे वांगडार आसा जाल्यार तुम्ही 15 दिसां भितर सगळे भायर येऊन बीजेपी सरकारा फुडें मुखार वचून तुमच्या लोकांक घेऊन दुसऱ्या आमदारांक सांगाताक घेऊन तुम्ही हो प्रोजेक्ट रोल बॅक करचो आणि 15 दिसां भितर तुम्ही रोल बॅक करपाक जायना जाल्यार तुम्ही रिजाइन जावचे आणि तुमचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे लोक आसा जो म्हणटा गोंयांत करचो नाका त्या लोकां वांगडा तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी एकठांय जावन बाय द पीपल हो मुवमेंट मुखार व्हरचो 2022 आमी जेन्ना येतले तेन्ना हो प्रोजेक्ट न्हू असलो कसलोच एन्व्हायरमेंटल आणि लोकां नाका आसलेलो प्रोजेक्ट केन्नाच येवंक दिवचे ना.
Irshad Sheikh for Goa 365 in Panaji.
Well, we will take a short break. Please stay with us. Welcome back. The coronavirus cases in India has crossed 79 lakh mark. While more than 71,000 have recovered from the virus, their toll has surged beyond 1.19 lakhs and the active cases stand at 6.54 lakhs.
A single day jump of 45,148 COVID-19 cases were reported in India. In the last 24 hours, 480 deaths were reported and 59,105 patients have recovered. India has reported 79,09,959 COVID-19 positive cases till date, and the active cases stands at 6.54 lakh. 1,19,014 deaths are reported, and 71,37,228 patients have recovered. Here are the 5 worst state coronavirus states. Maharashtra is leading with 16.45 lakh mark of COVID-19 cases, followed by Andhra Pradesh 8.7 lakh, Karnataka 8.2 lakh, Tamil Nadu 7.9 lakh and UP 4.70 lakh. More than 4 lakh cases were reported worldwide in single day. The global cases have reached 4.83 crore. 11.59 lakh deaths are reported and 13.19 crore have recovered. Here are the 5 worst state coronavirus nations. United States is leading with more than 84.3 lakh cases, followed by second worst state nation India 79.9 lakh cases, Brazil 53.94 lakh cases, Russia 15.13 lakh cases and France with 11.88 lakh cases. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
Now for the weather update, looks like the rains have stopped. Goa is almost likely to witness rain only on Monday, while on the remaining days the skies will be clear. The winter is also approaching and the twilight has already begun. It would be dark by 5:45 p.m., the IMD said.
IMD said Goa will witness thunderstorms with lightning only on Monday. There are no weather warnings for remaining days till 30th October. The winter season has not yet commenced, but effects can be seen. The twilight has begun. Sun will set early and will also rise early. Sunrise will begin at 6:29 in the morning. It will set at 5:41 in the evening. Moon will rise early at 3:12 late afternoon and will set 1:39 at midnight. Samip Narvekar for Goa 365 in Panaji.
Well, with that we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, please do log into our website at www.goa365.tv or follow us on Instagram, Telegram, Facebook at Goa365TV. And also you do subscribe to our YouTube channel at Goa365TV or simply download the app on both Android and your iPhones to watch on mobile phones. Until then, keep watching Goa 365 and stay safe.